my learning friends. Let's change one sound. I'm going to use my blocks to help me listen to my sounds. You can use whatever you have on hand that you have permission. You can use Legos, you can use cubes, anything that you have permission from your grown-up to use. All right, get ready to catch my first word. Are you ready? May. Did you catch it? May. All right, let's listen to the sounds. A sounds in my words. A sounds in my words. A sounds in my words. These are all the sounds I heard. All right, I heard an and an A. Let's get out our reading finger. A. Blended May. But if I add a sound to the end, I can make a whole new word. I want to make this word made. Listen, listen to my word. Tell me all the sounds you heard. The word is made. Is one sound, A is two, D is the third sound, it's true. Listen, listen to my word. Tell me all the sounds you heard. Made. All right, I have my A, and I need a D. So I add a sound, and I make a whole new word. Get out your reading finger. A, D. Made. But I want to make this word mail. Like I went to get the mail from the mailbox. I hear an A, but I don't hear a D at the end. Mail. What do you hear at the end of mail? Do you hear the O sound? So take that D off. And you could put an O and make a whole new word. Get out your reading finger. The word is mail. A-O. Blended mail. But maybe I want to make this word make. Like let's make a cake. A-K. I don't hear the O at the end anymore. I hear make. I hear a K sound. So I'm going to put a new sound, a new cube, and I make a whole new word. The word is make. Get out your reading finger. A-K. Blended make. All right, let's try one more word. I want to change this word and make mane. Like the horse's mane is this beautiful flowing hair. I hear a new sound at the end of my word. So let's take off that the k, excuse me, and let's add a All right, add that new sound. Here we go. Blended mane. I've had so much fun today making new words by changing one sound. I'll see you next time when I teach to your super learning powers, one child at a time.